Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today will be the lesson on how to complete the assembly model in Autodesk Inventor on the table lamp. So we're going to get started right away. I'm already in Inventor. I'm going to click New and English Standard Inch.iam for assembly and click Create. We're going to go up to Place, select Place from the drop-down arrow, and here's where I keep all my table lamp models here. There's only 3 of them. So I'm going to start with the base, open that one up, left-click to Place, and then right-click, left-click OK, and go back up to Place, drop down, select Place again, and select the spindle. So I'm going to drop the spindle in, and the first thing I'm going to do is mate the spindle to the base. So I'm going to be going Constrain and select the center line on the spindle and the center line within the bored hole in the base, and then make sure you click Apply. Now, this is not inserted all the way, right? So this diameter that's 0.875 here, it has a length of 5/8. So it needs to be press fit into the base, and where the start of the unified national course thread begins, that should be flush with the top of the diamond serrations. So we know this is 5/8, and we know that the bore goes all the way through the base, and it's 3/4 inches thick. So what is the difference between 5/8 and 3/4? Well, that should be 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to go back into Inventor. We're going to orbit, take a look at the underside of the base. We're going to set this as a flush mate instead of a normal mate. And we're going to set the offset to be 1/8. And we're going to select the bottom of the spindle first, and then we're going to select the bottom of the base, and that's going to complete the mating process for those 2 items. Don't forget to click Apply, or the mate will not stick. All right. So this looks proper. All right. Next up, we are going to be working on the legs. So we're going to go Place, again, select Place, select the leg, click Open, and then drop 1, 2, 3 legs into your assembly file. Now, I've already gone ahead and done these. I asked you to complete these legs first on your own, and I've already also changed the finish to chrome polished like you see with the spindle and the base. All right, so to get started, they're not facing the correct way. So what I like to do is do a little free rotate. And I'm just going to roughly turn them the correct direction of our base, like this. And now we should be ready. So what we're going to do, go back and grab Constrain. This is going to be a normal mate. We're going to select this surface, and then we're going to go back and then select the bottom of the lamp base, right? It doesn't matter that this isn't lined up with that hole yet. I find it's easier to complete this mate first because it can be kind of hard to see. We're gonna hit Apply here. It's easier to see and select this surface when it's not close to the lamp, right? This face is a lot easier to see, so that's why I'm doing that mate first. So I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna select this surface of the 0.375 diameter, and I'm going to select the bottom of the base, keep hitting apply, and then we have one more to do. Here. And here. Hit apply. Now this is really easy to get them into the reamed holes. All we have to do is find the center line on the leg and the center line in the reamed hole and hit apply. And repeat this process 2 more times. And a 3rd time, hit apply. Then cancel this window. And then that is it. We should have, this is assembled. Now, let's fix the view orientation on this, right? This is showing as the top view upside down. So what we can do is go to the cube drop down menu, set current view as front, and look at that. Perfect. Standing up straight. All the legs are in line with one another. This is exactly the way it needs to be. I'm gonna save this now. Save as. This is my only assembly file, so I'm gonna call it table lamp. Exactly what it is. Hit save. Now I did have some grand ideas to be able to find a socket to mount to the top of the spindle, but I have not been able to find anything. I've been scouring the internet looking for something that someone else has created that can be used in an event or assembly. I can't find anything appropriate in the content center. So I think for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to call this assembly complete at this time. So that's going to be it for this lesson. It's fully assembled. The next time we speak, we're going to be taking a look at how to complete the drawing file. This is going to be very similar to the caster project. The difference is that we're going to be applying a lot of machining tolerances this time. And of course, this is also going to be an imperial drawing, which is mostly fractional, decimal, and not a metric drawing in millimeters, which is what the caster was. So I'm signing off for now. Very simple assembly today. Try it out. You shouldn't have any problems, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.